Smashed my shin. Look at this. You know that show MTV Cribs? Got my bedroom is down in there. We're gonna find some good spots, I reckon. There's gonna be some really good swimming holes here for sure. Wired, that's holding it. Oh, I hear water flowing. There's no one else here. It's just me and myself. That's it. But why? Oh! Yeah. Oh, okay, I lied. It wasn't just me here. Oh, it's just a web. There's not even a spider in it. Oh! Now I trust the Creator. I trust God that everything is here for a reason. Yes. Exploring nature. For those who don't know, suffer with a major gambling problem. Well, I've suffered with all addiction problems. I'm addicted to everything. Now I'm addicted to nature. But this feeling is like when you find a good spot like this, it's sort of like winning on the pokies or winning a bet, because essentially you're betting against, you're using fuel to go find a random spot or whatever, and then sometimes you're not going to find a good spot. Other times you're going to find an absolute ripper of a spot like this. Slipped in and I have my shoes on. Yeah. So my shoes are wet, but I needed new shoes anyway, I suppose. I smashed my shin. Look at this.